Let's go the extra mile and use our network to give us the advantage during the hiring process. A referral can be a powerful way to gain inroads into a new job or professional opportunity. It helps build trust and gives you and your skills a stamp of approval. Start by reaching out to your personal and professional network, including friends, family, colleagues, and former coworkers. Let them know what type of jobs you're looking for and ask if they know of any relevant openings or can introduce you to someone in their network who might be able to help. Attend networking events and industry conferences to meet new people and expand your professional network. Be sure to bring business cards and follow up with anyone you meet who might be able to offer a referral or provide information about job openings. Join professional organizations and online communities related to your field of interest. This can be a great way to connect with like-minded professionals and learn about job opportunities. Be proactive and persistent in your search for referrals. Follow up with people you've reached out to, and don't be afraid to ask for additional help or advice if needed. Remember, referrals can be a powerful tool in your job search. It's worth putting in the effort to find them. And don't forget your online presence. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn to search for potential referrals. Look for people who work at companies you're interested in or have connections to people in your network. Send them a message introducing yourself and asking if they'd be willing to refer you for any relevant job openings. Referrals can be a powerful way to open up new opportunities and utilize your professional network. It takes some effort to cultivate those relationships, but it could pay off in the long run. Now let's take a moment to interact with the rest of the pitch players. What do you hope to gain by building your network?